Good morning, fourth graders. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a little bit more about Google and talk about what we got going on for this week. So, when we're in our classroom looking at our classwork, okay, right here's all of our assignments that we have. But another way to look at it and make sure that you have everything turned in and to see all your grades, if you go to right here that says view your work, and if you click on that, it's going to take you here. And here is all your assignments, okay? So this is my student account that I created, okay? And off to the right, it's going to tell you, well, over here, it's going to tell you what it's called, when it's due, and that it's assigned, okay? If you scroll down, it's also going to continue to tell you when it's due. And if it's past due, it's going to have a missing sign on it, okay? Because I wasn't doing really any work, I have a lot of missing assignments, okay? Also, I have some that are graded. And then the check marks are the ones that are you also turned in but didn't necessarily receive a grade for. Okay, another way to look at it is over here. We have different columns. Okay, here's all the assigned work. Here's assignments that I have looked at, I've graded, and I've returned to you. Okay, so here are two assignments that I've done that I got a grade for, and I returned them to you with your grade. That way you can see all your grades right here. Again, if it has a little check mark, it just means, yes, it was an assignment, I returned it to you, but I didn't necessarily give you a grade for it. Okay, and then we have our missing. So any assignment that I have assigned and you haven't done it, it's going to show up in this column. It's going to tell you what it's called, and it's going to tell you that it was due on March 29th and that it was missing. Okay? You can go into all your missing assignments right here. Okay? And let's say that I want to do this one. I can click on it, view details, and it's going to take me to that assignment so I can do it right there. Okay? So keep track of all the work that you have done, have yet to do, and then if you ever want to look at all of your grades and how you did on all of your assignments in an easy way, they'll all be right here, okay, when this returned with grade. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have going on this week. So right here, we have all of our assignments from March 30th through April 4th. So if you click on this, it's going to open a document and it's going to show you everything that is due for this week. I'll show you right here. Okay, so if your mom or dad or you want to print this out, that way you can see everything that's due for this week, it'll be right here. Okay, everything that you have to do will be right here. Okay, okay, so there's that. Again, if you want to ask a question or you need help, please ask it in the question and concern area. Our check-in question for today, use 3 words to describe your weekend. Okay, remember every day there'll be a different check-in question. For reading this week, we're going to read chapters 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you have to do your Google form. Okay, so click on it, put your name on it, answer the questions. For writing, we are going to, you should have finished your book report and finished your 3-paragraph rough draft last week. So this week we are going to edit. Okay, when you edit, you need to go through and find 5 dead words. Change those dead words in your story to more precise words. You can use thesaurus.com. Okay. Also going through looking for capitalization, punctuation, and then going through and looking for does it make sense. Okay, so that is what we're doing for writing. And then you can also do journal entries. Okay, so get your journal out. Doesn't have to be a long time, 5 to 10 minutes a day. Okay, document your life right now during this corona pandemic. Okay, it'll be fun one day to look back and read all the things that you did during your day when you were quarantined. So, what did you do? What were some things that you're worried about? How are you feeling? What did you do to keep yourself busy? Maybe some things you're thankful for. Okay, if you want me to read it, go ahead and take a picture of it, send it to me, upload it, and I can write back to you, but you don't have to, okay? Just if you want to. For math, we are going to move on from line plots, and we are going to go ahead and do measurement. So first thing you need to do is go into Mastery Connect, take your topic 11 Mastery Connect assignment, and then we are going to do Pearson lesson 13.1 and lesson 13.2. Okay, so we are going to be doing measurement, converting, inches to feet, feet to miles, yards, that kind of stuff. So if you click on your assignment, you're going to go into Pearson, okay? You're going to watch your visual learning video and then complete the 2 assignments. Make sure that you are submitting your assignments on Pearson. A lot of you didn't ever submit them, and so it just looks on my end that you're still in progress, okay? In your assignments here on Google, though, there's going to be some things that are here to help you, okay? If you click on this one, it's going to have a measurement conversion chart, okay? It's going to tell you, 1 mile is 5,280 feet, that a yard is 3 feet, and so if you ever need help converting your measurements, this chart will help you do that, okay? There's also going to be notes. I took notes for you, and I uploaded them right here. So notes, if you need a little bit more help on how to do it, they'll be right there also. And then there's also a video. So I took notes and I explained to you, kind of walked you through each lesson. So if you click on this link, it's going to open a new tab, and it's going to have a video of my notes that I took for you. So it would be a good idea to watch this video going over lesson 13.1 notes, okay? The measurement chart will help you, the notes will help you, but you need to complete your assignment in Pearson, okay? So go ahead and go in Pearson, do your assignments, and when you get done, don't forget to mark it as done, okay? Okay, so we have 13.1, 13.2, and then for social studies this week, we are going to be doing our study guide for topic or unit 8, okay? And then we are going to, the test will open tomorrow. So if you complete your study guide and you study, the test will open tomorrow and it will be right here. It's not here yet because I want you to actually study and get ready for your test first before it's going to open. But there's also a Midwest Region Kahoot. So if you click on it, there's a Kahoot game, okay? The challenge is going to close Friday at 10 o'clock. Each of you can play 4 times, but it's going to just, we all know how to play Kahoot, but the Midwest regions, the states and capitals, and then next week we are going to have a quiz over the Midwest region, states and capitals. So this would be a great tool to help you study for that and practice those states and capitals, okay? And then also down here, I added a couple more sites to help you out with your Midwest region, states and capitals. So that's there. We also have our ReadWorks articles, Art Choice Board. Mrs. Koska added some more art choices, so you can go in there to find those. I also added this book links, so it's just an online, kind of like an online library. So if you click on it, it's going to open, and it's got lots of different books, okay? Each tab has different books. You can search books, you can read them, you can use these books for your book reports, okay? But this is just another way for you to get some books in your hands to read, okay? So if you run out of books to read, this would be a great resource to use. Also, we have Epic, so if your parents have set it up for you, if they haven't and you want them to do that and they don't know how, please have them contact me. But that is all I have. So happy learning and have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.